Good morning, students. Today, during the online class of English literature, we studied or we learned about the poem Sunday, page number 101. Now, this is a poem written by Ravindranath Tagore, the greatest poet, the famous poet of Kolkata. Now, this poem explains, or this poem is related to the weekdays and the Sundays, the comparison made between these days. Now, as the poet goes on saying that Sundays are special days of the week, days when we can spend our time as we like, doing things we like to do. Let us now read this poem and know the difference or the comparisons between Sunday with the other days of the week. The first stanza, let us see first. The weekdays come so fast and quick. The poet tells us that the weekdays, the 6 days, come so fast and thick, very quick. It reaches. Now, thick is here many in number. In a week, we have 7 days. Out of 7 days, the 6 days are the weekdays, the working days. How do they travel to reach so quick? That means, how do they travel? Are they coming by train or flight or any other source? That they come very quickly, they reach very quickly. But why does Sunday take so long behind the others trudging on? Now the poet tells us that Sunday is very slow to come, very slow to reach. After 6 days, we all of us long for Sundays to come, and we wait very eagerly, and we feel that Sunday comes very slowly. Second stanza. The weekdays are an unkind lot. They are very unkind, not kind. Means we have to do many activities. People go for duties. They are engaged in many responsibilities. We have to work hard. To go back home, they have no thought. They cannot go back home unless they complete. That means during the weekdays, we cannot go and sleep. We cannot neglect our duties. If we have to go to the school, we have to go. Your parents have to go to the office, yes, they have to go. But why is Sunday so pursued? Means Sunday is eagerly waited for, followed. Here the meaning is followed in order to catch. Means we eagerly wait for the Sundays. That she stays half the time she should. That means we eagerly wait for Sunday, and when it reaches, we feel that it is very short. Now, each day is made up of 24 hours. But when here, Sunday, when she comes, it is like half day. So quickly it passes away. The third stanza. The weekdays come with such dull, long faces. Now, how do we welcome? Because of the duties and responsibilities, heavy load, many of us welcome or accept with our dull and long faces, unhappy faces. No child can stand such airs and graces. Such airs and graces, your meaning is proud ways and bad manners. Means the unhappy faces. Such faces no child can stand or bear. But when at weekends I get up. Weekend means the when Saturday comes, we are eagerly waiting for the next day, that is Sunday, and I get up, there is Sunday with her face lit up, means the bright face. Instead of long and dull faces, now we have our bright faces. In other words, we happily and willingly, joyfully accept or begin the day, that is Sunday. So dear students, this is the poem about Sunday. The poet tells us how we, you and I, the people in general, wait for Sundays to come. And Sunday is a special day. Because of this, there is no duty, no responsibility. You and I, or people in general, they like to have relaxing day without any responsibilities. So please tick mark, so underline the words that first one is thick, trudging, unkind, pursued, graces. Any other words? No. Please write down these words in your copies and the meaning also. So this is all about today's online class. Keep well and see you in the next class.